Starlink mesh router setup and installation. So over here we have a method, but from the actual Starlink. So this should be the one you can be following. So over here on how to set up your Starlink mesh, you can go ahead and follow this. So ensure your Starlink kit is set up and connected to the internet prior to adding your mesh nodes. So choose suitable locations for your mesh nodes and plug them into power outlets. Connect to your existing Starlink Wi-Fi network and open the Starlink app. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes for a new mesh nodes notification to appear in the app and tap pair or pair all to begin the connection process. The nodes will appear on the network screen and take about 1 to 2 minutes to connect, so repeat these steps for any additional mesh nodes. After you have those all prepared, you can finally have the mesh placement tips. Mesh nodes work best when they're placed no more than 1 to 2 rooms apart from each other, and make sure that your main router is in a central location. L mesh nodes could be paired directly to the main router for optimal performance, and chain mesh nodes have lower performance. You can view how the mesh nodes are connected to each other using the Starlink app, and you may need to move the routers to achieve direct connections between the mesh router and the main router. So more than 3 mesh nodes can cause decreased mesh performance. Once you already have that in mind, you should be able to easily set up your Starlink kit and have it all connected to the internet and paired up with each other. So this is basically the method on how to do so, and just go ahead and follow that and you should be able to be good to go. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.